This is a 2015 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, a sunroof, heated seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Texas Import Sales is located at 14807 Venture Drive in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.